Struggling to change the skill number in Namecheap? Those skill 0 buttons are confusing, right? You click one thing, then another, and the number just doesn't seem to budge. I've been there, staring at the default value and wondering if I'm missing something obvious. Watch this, and I'll show you how to set it exactly where you want it in about 60 seconds. So here's the plan. First, you're going to open your site inside the Namecheap editor. Then I'll walk you through the exact sequence of clicks to adjust that skill bar from 0 all the way up to 5. It's actually a really specific pattern, and once you see it, it'll click instantly. All right, let's start by opening your site in the Namecheap website builder. Just log in, find the project you're working on, and open it up in the visual editor. This is where we'll do all the magic. Now, look for the skill bar section on your page. You'll probably see something labeled Skill 1. Go ahead and click on that. This selects the whole skill block, so we can start adjusting it. Here's where the interface can get a little tricky. You're going to see a bunch of buttons that all say Skill 0. Don't let that throw you off. We're going to click on the very first one of those. Once you click that first Skill 0 button, a little number selector will pop up. Click on the number 1. That sets the first step of the bar. Now, click on the next Skill 0 button. It's the second one in the list. And then click on the number 2. See the pattern? We're just working our way up one step at a time. Click on the third Skill 0 button. Then click on 3. Click on the fourth Skill 0 button. Then click on 4. We're almost there. Now, click on the fifth and final Skill 0 button. And to finish it off, click on 5. Just like that, you've walked through every step, and your skill bar should now show a value of 5. From being stuck with that default number to confidently setting it to exactly what you need. And honestly, I've tested this exact sequence myself just to be sure it works. It's one of those things that looks confusing at first, but once you know the order, it's a total breeze. Now you can get back to making your site look exactly how you want it.